The live price of Bitcoin is $20,437.36 per BTC/USD today, with a current market cap of $390.10 billion US dollars. 24-hour trading volume is $21.70 billion US dollars. Bitcoin is plus 1.54% in the last 24 hours. It has a circulating supply of 19.9 million US dollars. Bitcoin is trying to increase its gains above the 20,000 US dollars zone and is currently 11:57 Universal Time Coordinated, trading near 20,500 US dollars. BTC is up almost 2% in a day and a week. Similarly, most major altcoins are gaining pace. ETH is up over 4% and is eyeing a clear move above the 1,200 US dollars resistance. XRP is still stuck near 33 cents while ADA is approaching a major breakout, with a key hurdle at 48 cents. Bitcoin price. Today, Bitcoin price mostly saw positive moves above the 20,000 US dollars level, and it seems like the bulls are now aiming a close above the 20,500 US dollars level. If there is a close above this level, the price could test 21,200 US dollars. The next major resistance is still near 22,000 US dollars, above which the price could rise to 22,800 US dollars. If there is another failure, the price could dip towards the 20,000 US dollars level. The next major support is near the 19,500 US dollars zone, below which the price could face selling interest. Ethereum price. Ethereum price is moving higher above the 1,150 US dollars resistance zone. ETH is now trending above 1,180 US dollars and is up 4% in a day and almost 8% in a week. If the bulls succeed to clear the 1,200 US dollars resistance, the price may perhaps test 1,250 US dollars. The next major resistance is near 1,280 US dollars, above which the price could rise to 1,320 US dollars. If there is a downside correction, the price might test 1,135 US dollars. The next major support is near 1,120 US dollars, below which the price could struggle to stay above 1,100 US dollars. ADA, BNB, SOL, DOGE, and XRP price. Cardano, ADA, is still consolidating above the 45 cents level. An immediate resistance is near 0.480 US dollars, above which the bulls may perhaps push the price towards 52 cents. BNB is showing positive signs above the 235 US dollars level. The next major resistance is near 242 US dollars. A clear move above the 242 US dollars level could start a stronger increase. Solana, SOL, is gaining pace above the 36 US dollars and 50 cents resistance zone. The next major resistance is near the 38 US dollars, above which the price could test the 40 US dollars level. DOGE is now trading above the 0.0680 US dollars resistance zone. It is approaching the 0.070 US dollars level, above which it could test 0.072 US dollars. The next key resistance is near 0.075 US dollars. XRP price is trying to increase above the 0.320 US dollars zone. If there is a move above the 0.335 US dollars resistance, it could even clear the 35 cents hurdle.